Hey guys and girls, well this is my pretty much first Arduino project. It's one hell of a project, I must admit. I've got no knowledge of Arduino, so I've got, had no programming skills whatsoever. I had no idea what the hell I was doing. But just looking, sort of stealing other people's scripts, I suppose you could say. Bits of code here and bits of code there, I managed to figure stuff out. As you can see, I've got a keypad on this thing, some LEDs there, and this little board here, which is an audio board. Basically what I've done here is I've got multiple audio boards here as well, so I've got quite a few of these. They're all going to go to individual output pins, trigger pins. There's a few things that I do not know how to do on this yet, and that is every time I enter a wrong code, it'll go through the things. So it flashes a few times, which is more for effect. It's not really thinking because it can do it instantly. I would like to make it so that on each different fail, of code entry, it will trigger a different pin. But I do not yet know how to code that into the Arduino script. I'm not sure. So now it'll do the access denied. And now, if I did it again, I want it to play a different sound, like access denied, second attempt. Or access denied, something like lockdown imminent or something. I don't know, something silly like that. I've not decided what sounds I'm going to put on the things yet, but that's what I want. And I want sort of three sounds, access denied, lockout imminent, and access denied, locked down. I don't really want it to lock down, even though I could write in, a lockdown script, which will just block the keypad off for, say, a few minutes. I could probably do that. I don't know. It's an Arduino. Hey, I should be able to. But I would like to do it so it's on a different thing. I do not know how to do that, which is bugging me somewhat. I don't know where to go to get help, apart from the Arduino forums, and it's hard to get the message across to people on there. I am going to do the same thing, so when it unlocks, which the code on this is pretty simple, it's just 0 at the moment, and then A to enter. It's going to then, do a few things on here. I'll just show you what it does. So it's going to press 0 and then A, and you'll see it'll flash a few times it's like, yep, that's the right code, and then that LED over there flashes crazy for a few times. And that's because that's going to be a relay output or a transistor, or switch of some description. And basically, I'm going to wire into this LED along with this LED, or on a different pin. I can do it very easy, just by adding a pin to the end. I want to basically just make it so that when it's going to go on a car. Okay, this is crazy. I'm telling you this all at one time. This is going on a car basically, and when I put the right number, the right digit in, it's going to just pop the locks on the car. When I don't put the right number in and press enter, it's just going to tell me access denied. But I don't want it to be audioed and and sounds and things. Anyway, that's basically going to go to a light output, a relay output, which is going to control the vehicle illumination interior. So when I unlock the car, I wanted to make it so that the illumination didn't come on just on. I wanted to make it so it flashes on. Flickers like it's old and broken, because it's going in an old and broken car. The car is based on the game Fallout, and I want to make the car look like it's gone through a nuclear war. So yeah, it's still going. So yeah, that's more videos on that on my channel if you're interested, guys. Just check them out. I've not done anything with the car for a while, actually. I need to do something on it. But anyway, rambling on here. But if anybody knows how to do that, please let me know. Also, another thing I would like to know is, every time I push a button on the keypad, I would like it to beep, if preferably. So if anyone knows how I can add a buzzer, so every time I push any button on there, I can make it so it beeps. And also, I would very much like it so that this could be illuminated, because it has got the ability to be backlit. by 4 LEDs. You can see the white spots there, which is where the LEDs should go. Now, if anybody knows how I can do that, I'm guessing because all I would do is do it so when it detects any button pressed, it will just make the LED light up for so many milliseconds, and then, you know, fade out, or so many seconds. You know, I'd have to say a 10-second backlight or a 5-second backlight, and then, you know, after so many seconds the code will reset, even though the B key does reset the code anyway. So yes, whatever. If anybody knows of a way of doing that, please let me know. Yeah, send me your script. How can I put it? I don't know how to do it myself, so please, if anybody knows, please tell me. Alright guys, thank you very much. That's 6 minutes of me rambling on. Catch you on the next video. Peace out.